Students, actually we have seen in the morning in the previous session, we have seen multiplication of integers. Is it right? So now let us see division of integers. It is the same. We have seen that when you multiply positive number with another positive, the result is positive. In the same way, when you multiply negative with negative, the result is positive. And if one is positive and another one is negative, the answer is negative. In the same way, negative times positive is negative. So now, my dear students, let us see that the same will apply for even division also. For division also, it applies the same. That means when you divide a positive with another positive, you will get positive. And when you multiply negative with a negative, you will get negative. And in the same way, positive, if you divide positive with negative, you will get negative, and negative with positive, you will get negative. So now let us see some problems. So the first problem is, these are the problems from textbook. Minus 30 divided by 10. Students, negative divided by positive number. What is it? Negative divided by positive is negative. So negative. And now 30 divided by 10. 30 divided by 10. 10 3 is 30. So what is the answer? Remainder is zeros. Therefore 3 is the answer. In the same way, when you go for some where you see some problems, 0 divided by minus 12, and already we know that whenever you divide 0 with any number, it will be 0. Maybe it may be positive or negative. And sir, you don't tell that 0 here it is positive. No, 0 does not have positive sign or negative sign. Negative sign. Is it right? Now, so when you have, for example, a problem like this, minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1 in brackets. See, when brackets come into place, I just want to remind you of one concept. We have to go through BODMAS. Is it right? Whenever you are simplifying a mathematical expression, you have to go through BODMAS. So that means first you have to simplify brackets, then indices. Order means indices, this is powers, and later division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So now let us simplify whatever you have in brackets. What do you have? Minus 6 plus 5. One is negative, another is positive. What you are supposed to do? Negative divided by negative, sorry, it is not division, addition. When you have one negative and one positive, you have to subtract. 6 minus 5. How much? 1 is the answer. But since the bigger number is negative, it is minus 1. So minus 1 divided by what is there in the bracket. Here also one negative, one positive. So it will be 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 is the answer. Negative 1 is the answer. So negative divided by negative, it is positive. 1 divided by 1, it is 1. Got it, my dear students? In the same way, let us see, fill in the next section which is there in the textbook. Fill in the blanks. Suppose the first one is 369 divided by blank is equal to 369. So we all know that what is the multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity or the identity for division is what? 1. So when you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number, or when you divide with any number with 1, you will get the same number. So what is the answer here? 1. 1 is the answer. Now let us see, my dear students, the next one given is minus 206 divided by blank equals 1. So what do you get, my dear students? So minus 206 divided by, see, the answer is positive. You get positive when both are negative. That means this is also negative. So 206 divided by which number you will get 1? It is 206. So it is 206 divided by 206 is 1. In the same way, blank divided by 48 is equal to minus 1. So here you have negative. So when, and 48 is positive. When you get negative, when you divide a negative with a positive, that means the blank is a negative number, and when you divide two numbers, the answer is 1. What is that number? 48. Understood? So minus 48 divided by 48 is minus 1. So these are the concepts which are related to division of integers. Now in textbook you have 3 word problems, 5th, 6th and 7th, and if you have any doubt, just ping me a message. Inshallah I will explain you. So this is my phone number, as you know, 052-124-7969. Okay, so practice well, and with these two sessions we have revised the concept of multiplication and division. I hope this recall helps you in getting the refreshing the concept, and if you like, if you understand the concept, just share with your friends so that they can also learn, and share this video, and let me know the comments whether you have understood the problem or not. Okay, take care, bye, assalamu alaikum.